Systems architecture is a foundation for the systems that we are building for the future. So to be ready and prepared for a good future, then it's good to have a good foundation. However, you should also take care that the foundation is not exaggerated. So it should be in a good balance between a foundation and value for customer. And the customer typically doesn't see the foundation, but the value of the product itself. I am Ger Schoeber. And how did I get interested in systems architecting or a systems architect? I got the opportunity to work on a medical product. It was for Dräger, a company in Germany making patient monitors. And we were thinking of the next generation of patient monitors. And I had the opportunity on a Tuesday morning to follow 4 surgeries in the Catharina Hospital in Eindhoven. And that gave me the impression that it's not just about technology, but how is it used in real life? So the various viewpoints connecting not only the technical viewpoint, but also the stakeholder viewpoint. Early 2000, I was also present in a network meeting where Gerrit Muller explained his systems architecting training that he designed from Philips' point of view and became more and more successful. And he also asked an open question: who would be interested to become a trainer for this training as well? And I was just starting my own, let's say, independent consulting company, and I thought this is a great opportunity to not only be a systems architect, but also to get in contact with lots of people who might be interested in this role and creating a network for myself. It was 2002 that I had the first opportunity to be the trainer. And there were 16 people curiously looking towards me about what I would going to teach them about systems architecture, but I thought they knew a lot more about it than me. So it was a super challenging, let's say, experience for me to be the trainer in this case. But well, they accepted me and it worked out pretty good. Per today, I'm more than 20 years already active as a trainer for systems architecting. I've seen a couple of thousands people already in a training that I had the opportunity to train in this role and in this activity. At the moment I'm also the program leader for the systems architecting training. Because of its popularity, we had to find, let's say, other trainers as well. And at the moment we have 5 very experienced people that also train this training, and in combination with being active in industry. And that's also the differentiator for the High Tech Institute itself, that we have trainers that not only train by the book, but also train from experience and be in the experience themselves. Although the systems architecting training is already in our portfolio for more than 20 years, we recently also developed an advanced version in which participants really have to apply the things on their day-to-day work. And systems architecting goes much further. We see in the current trends that model-based systems engineering is coming up pretty hard. So we also have model-based systems engineering in our portfolio and systems engineering in general. Regarding the systems architecting training in the total portfolio, we have lots of information on our website, www.hightechinstitute.nl. If you're interested in it, please browse around there. And hopefully we can see each other in one of our future trainings or otherwise.